Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. For this video we're going fall inspired glam. First what we're gonna do is prime our eyes. I'm gonna be using this eye primer from Anastasia. This is like a trial size. It came with the palette. I'm gonna be using a mixture of these two palettes here. Don't mind it, it's been loved a lot. And I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and orange soda. These are my favorite colors to put in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this color here from the Norvina palette. Ooh, ooh, girl. I'm gonna put that on the outer corners. You know what? I'm gonna put it all over the lid actually. I'm gonna pat it on first. Yeah, I'm glad I did this. I'm gonna take that brush where we first started with and just blend that out in the crease. I'm gonna take a clean brush with nothing on it and just blend out my crease. I'm gonna take Cypress Umber and I'm gonna put that close to my lash line. Give it a little bit more smoky effect. I'm gonna go in with Noor. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Blowout Lash in Pompadour. These are my favorite. Whenever I see them in store, I buy like a bunch of them because they run out a lot. I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and orange soda and apply that on my lower lash. I'm going to use another clean brush, even though it looks a little blue, it's clean. And I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm also gonna blend out the edges here, because after I clean off my makeup, I do like a sharp line. So we're just gonna blend that out. We're gonna go back in with this color here, which by the way is C5. I feel bad using like two palettes, but this palette doesn't really have like any transition colors. I mean it does, but it's not like where the Soft Glam has more options, which is why I'm using the Soft Glam. So I'm gonna take C5 and put that closer to my lash line. So I'm gonna go back in with C5, and I'm gonna put a little bit more in my crease area. I'm gonna go in with the big blending brush and just blend out the edges a little bit more. To blend in my lashes, I'm gonna be using the Stila liquid liner. This is in the micro tip. What I'm doing with this is I'm just going right over the lashes. So this will help if there's any residue of glue. Even though it says it dries clear, sometimes you can still see a little bit of glue. So this will help like camouflage it a little bit. And it gives a more defined line to the eyes. I'm not doing it thick or anything. If you want to do a wing or make the liner thick, totally up to you. For this look, I just want to keep it just a line. Okay, so before I mess anything up, I'm gonna stop there because, you know, liner can get out of hand sometimes and I'll probably end up with a wing liner. Alright, so now for lips. This is a tough one. It's like when you have so many options of like nudes, it's like you don't know which nude you want to put on. Like, what am I feeling like, you know? Lately, I've been loving the Carly Bible and Il Makiage. So I'm going to be using the Sephora 71. These lipsticks are amazing. They're like 14 bucks without tax. And they stay on pretty well. They don't dry out your lips. Obsessed. And I'm going to use the Carly Bible Il Makiage collab in... what is this? Oh, Bible. Alright, so this is the finished look for my fall glam. I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, that's it.